Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Time to win. Golden words said by Dale Carnegie, which I liked. Dr. Ravish Tandon. Your victory is waiting here. Just step in. Recently, I delivered a rush job to this editor and he phoned me to call at his office immediately. He said something was wrong. When I arrived, I found just what I had anticipated and dreaded. He was hostile, gloating over his chance to criticize. He demanded with heat and why I had done so, and so my opportunity had come to apply the self criticism I had been studying about. So I said, Mr. So and so, if you want, you say is true. I am at fault, and there is absolutely no excuse for my blunder. I have been doing drawings for you long enough to know better. I am ashamed of myself. Immediately, he started to defend me. Yes, you are right. But after all, this isn't a serious matter. Mistake, it is only. I interrupted him. Any mistake, I said, may be costly and they are all irritating. He started to break in, but I would not let him. I was having a grand time. For the first time in my life, I was criticizing myself and I loved it. I should have been more careful. I continued. You give me a lot of work and you deserve the best. So I am going to do this drawing all over. No, no, he protested. I would not think of putting you to all that trouble. He praised my work, assured me that he wanted only a minor change and that my slight error had not cost his firm any money. And after all, it was a mere detail, not worth worrying about. My eagerness to criticize myself took all the fight out of him. He ended up by taking me to lunch, and before we parted, he gave me a check and another commission. There is a certain degree of satisfaction in having the courage to admit one's error. It only not the clears the air of guilt and defensiveness, but often helps to solve the problem created by the error. Bruce Harvey of Albuquerque, New Mexico, had incorrectly authorized payment of full wages to an employee on sick leave. When he discovered this error, he brought it to the attention of the employee and explained that to correct the mistake, he would have to reduce the next paycheck by the entire amount of the overpayment. The employee pleaded that as that would cause him a serious financial problem, could the money be repaid over a period of time? In order to do this, Harvey explained. The magical sentence you should spell daily in life to achieve success. I will do it. Only I can do it. Please subscribe our channel and click on the link given in this description box to listen this full chapter voice in a single clip.